These communities need our help. Southern Appalachia was completely devastated by the hurricane and all the rainfall and the flooding afterwards. Towns like Damascus, Virginia, Hot Springs, North Carolina, Irwin, Tennessee, and so many others that open their doors to hikers every single year with open arms are pretty much completely underwater, or was underwater. Now they're dealing with so much devastation. And I'm happy to announce that I've teamed up with ALDHA, Appalachian Long Distance Hiker Association, my next adventure. I will be riding the Eastern Divide route from North Woodstock, New Hampshire to Hancock, Maryland, and then be making my way south to all these communities on my bike to help out in any way I possibly can, free of charge. During this trip, I will be raising funds and everything to help these communities. ALDHA has already put out 10 grand in their part to help these communities. And my goal is to times that by a crazy amount.